Let's begin today's gadget lineup with the introduction of the Wingman W20 Power Bank. This innovative device operates on replaceable batteries, offering users a convenient solution for power on the go. To replace the batteries, simply press the button on the power bank's body to access the compartment. The manufacturer recommends utilizing batteries with a 5 amp output capacity and a 2 amp charge. Additionally, unlike traditional power banks, this device doesn't require overnight charging. Priced at $29, it provides a portable and versatile charging solution for your devices. The CozyPod heater distinguishes itself from its competitors due to its compact size, easily fitting in the palm of your hand while delivering a power range of 500 to 800 watts. It operates cordlessly and features a plug-in back cover for convenient charging. Utilizing ceramic elements, it rapidly heats up, ensuring quick warmth. Controlled by a remote, it maintains your desired room temperature seamlessly. Ideal for home, office, and travel use, this heater enhances comfort wherever you go. With this advanced technology, casual conversations around the campfire can effortlessly transition into cozy gatherings by the heater. The CozyPod heater, along with its case, is available for $79. What do a jump starter, a vacuum cleaner, a flashlight, a pump, and a power bank have in common? Typically, nothing. However, JUMPAC has changed that with its latest innovation. They've introduced a gadget that combines all 5 handy tools into one compact case. The left button supplies power to the terminals, while the right one releases air. For further details on the functionality of the other buttons, refer to the manual. Priced at $129, the JUMPAC includes filters, hoses, brushes, and nozzles. Just ensure not to mix up the connections when utilizing this versatile gadget. Ever wondered if your smartphone could offer more than just the usual tasks like chatting or working at your desk? Discover the possibilities by integrating it with LOOI, a robotic platform. This platform, equipped with 2 rubber tracks, transforms your smartphone into a fully functional robot. Beyond its typical functions, the robot gains the ability to think with the assistance of ChatGPT-4. Once connected to LOOI, your smartphone's camera serves as its eyes, while the speaker becomes its voice. Intrigued by the prospect of having such an assistant? Can a smartphone mouse offer more than just the basics? The Cheer.'s 2 computer mouse certainly does. It comes equipped with built-in ChatGPT, capable of recording meetings and transcribing audio to text. However, for the modern user seeking enhanced functionality, Cheer.'s 2 exceeds expectations. It features a built-in pointer for seamless presentations, simplifying cursor movement across screens. Additionally, its integrated laser marks dots on boards for presentations in the absence of screens. Moreover, it incorporates a built-in alarm clock to ensure punctuality for meetings. Priced at $44, the Cheer.'s 2 offers a comprehensive solution for productivity needs. Kitchen Mama presents a motorized kitchen can opener equipped with 2 blades, capable of effortlessly opening all types of cans. Specifically designed to aid older individuals who encounter difficulties with manual can opening, this device features a single large button for easy power control. Unlike its previous version, which operated on regular batteries, the updated model utilizes rechargeable ones for added convenience. Kitchen Mama can be charged using a standard USB Type-C cable and is priced at $42. Why would your home medicine cabinet need Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? To remind you to take your medication, of course. The company Keep has developed a smart medicine cabinet that sends notifications directly to your smartphone. Simply open the cabinet by pressing the touch lid, and for added privacy, it can be locked with your smartphone. If someone attempts to take medication without authorization, the cabinet triggers an alarm to alert the owner. With the escalating cost of medicines, it's crucial to store them securely. These smart medicine cabinets are priced at $299. Once upon a time, the Brazilian radio station Band FM attempted to use sound at 15 kHz to repel mosquitoes. However, scientists quickly dismissed the idea as nonsense, stating there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that ultrasound works against mosquitoes. So, if you're a Band FM listener dealing with mosquito bites, you might want to consider trying Vibis Apply, a gadget designed to alleviate pain, itching, and other unpleasant sensations caused by insect bites. Vibis Apply also provides relief from stings by bees, ants, and other insects. The concept is straightforward. The gadget applies heat to the bite, which helps break down toxins faster. It is effective and reasonably priced at $23. When was the last time you cleaned the inside of your computer? What if there are creatures living in there, akin to Agent K's closet from Men in Black? Cleaning becomes effortless with this $34 gadget that spins at speeds of up to 110,000 RPM. You can choose from 5 nozzles, simply press a button, and you're ready to start. The gadget offers 3 speeds and includes a built-in backlight for added convenience. After cleaning, it can also be useful for inflating an airbed, yoga ball, or similar items. The average Czech citizen consumes 84 liters of beer annually. Considering this, the creators of Draft Top Lift should consider tapping into the Czech market. They offer a can opener that effortlessly removes the top of aluminum cans without any hassle. There's no need for a plastic cup either. Draft Top Lift is user-friendly for left-handed people and can be conveniently stored in your pockets. It's a fun way to spend $22. The OMLAMP is as lightweight as an ice cream cone and easily fits into your pocket. Its paper body folds up like origami and tucks away neatly in a wooden base. Whether you need a nightlight, a candlelight dinner decoration, or a reading lamp, the OMLAMP has got you covered. Just remember to recharge it. A full battery will give you 5 hours of use. This lamp is priced at $28. ASPCA experts have developed a database containing information on animals in U.S. shelters. Their research revealed that over 3 million dogs alone end up in shelters each year. Some of these dogs are lost pets, and it's fortunate if they have Tractive collars. This compact GPS tracker can last up to 35 days without needing to be recharged, allowing you to track your pet's whereabouts. The tracker is priced at $50, and a SIM card with a subscription starts at around $5 per month. If your pets have knocked over their feeder, enjoyed a feast, and are now lounging on the couch, it's time to consider the Air Automatic Feeder. This feeder is designed so that even if it gets tipped over, the food stays in place. Additionally, the control panel is safeguarded from paws by a special lid. It can hold up to 2 liters of feed and dispenses it up to 6 times a day. The feeder can be powered by mains electricity or D batteries, with the battery lasting for 180 days. The basic model is priced at $50, but there are also pricier and fancier options available, such as versions with cameras or activation by an RFID collar. Introducing STRYD, a runner's sensor that operates independently of smartphones and GPS. Attach it to your running shoes to accurately record data with laboratory precision. STRYD takes into account terrain, running speed, fatigue, and even wind, allowing you to train based on power, similar to cyclists. Whether you're already familiar with the Norwegian method or just starting out, STRYD is an excellent tool for learning to run effectively. A set of 2 sensors with a 1-year subscription is priced at $367. And this concludes our list of the 14 cool gadgets you should see. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.